Okay, now let's do Malasana. Come in tabletop position. Place your right foot out and your left foot out. Use your elbows to push the knees out and try to keep your spine straight. Now, if you find it difficult to keep the heels on the mat, it's okay if your heels are off the mat. But if your heels are off the mat and you're leaning forward, you're slouching forward, then we need to fix that. You can place a pillow under your heels or place a yoga block under your hips and sit on the yoga block. Stay there. Keep breathing. Breathe slow and long. With a bright smile on your face. Notice if you feel a pressure in the belly, in your shin or your ankle. If it's in the shin ankle, it's fine. You can hold for slightly longer. But if you feel any pressure in the belly, you can exit the pose. Keep smiling.